Kids Learning Channel.
Hey kids, do you know what color a banana is? Friends, bananas are yellow color. Let's color the banana yellow together.
Subscribe channels to watch more videos.